Boop, 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 boop.
Yes.
Cook, 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 cook.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. Just that.
Cool. And this is what I like. This is what, because you do it as well, you know.
Oh, yes. And I'm going to demonstrate it with my own voice because it's very important that the teacher demonstrate as well, because you need to hear what happens with the vowel. I always struggle to say that word. Familiarize yourself.
That's yeah. So goals. Yeah. So like I was saying, I love basically like writing songs, making that sort of thing, and I have done for ages. So what I really have wanted to do is just become as good as possible, so I can make the songs as good as possible. You know.
Yeah. All right.
So yeah, I've just been practicing, and seeing where we go with it. Really.
All right. Awesome. So can you match that pitch on an ah vowel? There we go. Good. Now from there, can you go mom, 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 mom? Just a basic mom.
From that note.
Yeah, from that note. Yeah, just do that scale. Yeah.
Yeah. Mom, 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 mom.
Right. So that's just a basic kind of mum exercise. Now, a few things to maintain or to point out for that exercise is that we're trying to establish chord closure. What that means is the vocal cords needs to come together, you know, with a nice grip, like not too firm but not too loose either. So I would like you to give me a bit more volume. So like, let's say on a scale of 1 to 10, try to aim for a 6 or even a 7, okay? Go ahead, try that. Here we go.
Mom, 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 mom.
Very good. So let's stick with that, okay? We're gonna kind of climb up the scale, okay? Here we go. You become better, like we all become better singers with as we develop our awareness of different sounds, even the wrong ones, the right ones, because if we build more awareness for the wrong sound so that we know not to do that. And of course, we want to go for the right one, right? Can you go and do this for me? Can you go? Can you just do that? Repeat the top note like 4 times or 5 times.
Yeah. Boop, 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 boop.
Excellent. Good job. Okay. Now, one thing to point out is that the starting notes, you were a bit flat, but the top note wasn't. Yeah, you felt that, right? Good.
Yeah.
The more you're aware of that, the more you'll know, right? So now let's try it again. Here we go. So that's the starting note, right? Take me into your loving arms. You just put that there. Try that.
Yeah. Boop, 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 boop. Take me into your loving arms.
How did that feel? Good job. How did that feel?
Yeah, it felt really, really like comfortable, really easy.
Okay, that's kind of what you're after, right? Now remember, one thing to point out is that you have a tendency to sing with air or breathy, right? Which is cool, right? But just when you're doing the exercises, try to keep it non-breathy. So take me into your love. Let's say if you're trying to go for that sound to kind of get that, more sulky, smoother sound. You want take me into your loving arms. So non-breathy, basically, okay? But you don't have to be super whiny about that either, like the sound, okay? Try that.
What, with boob?
Yeah, with boob, and then you sing that chorus.
Boop, 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 boop. Take me into your loving arms.
Okay. Now you can see that when you go higher, right, you need to give a certain intensity, certain energy, and certain volume to keep things together, right? What you're doing right now, it's almost like your intuition is taking over, okay? So this is actually really, really good. Now, let's try it here, okay? Same thing again, same thing, okay? Don't get intimidated by highness. We all do, okay? We're all guilty of that. So, here we go.
Boop, boop. Wait, what was it, sorry?
Boop, 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 boop. Yeah.
Boop, 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 boop. Take me into your loving arms.
Okay. I think you were just a tad bit flat. Okay, so let me give the reference again. Here we go.
Take me into your loving arms.
Okay. How did that feel?
Yeah, it felt a lot more powerful and compressed.
Yes. It's okay to feel pressure. You
Okay.
may feel pressure here. You may feel pressure in your skull, as in your head. And that's okay. As long as you don't feel like you're pushing or straining, as long as you're not getting hoarse afterwards, as in like after you're singing or the next day, as long as none of those are happening, you're fine. Okay? And you actually just hit the original key of what Ed Sheeran would do. So now that you're already up there, which is an A, which is great. You said you're going for indie pop, right? Indie pop, indie rock, that kind of genre, right?
That kind of thing, yeah.
So come and let it go. Why won't you? Do you know that song?
Yes,
No.
Yeah.
Can you just sing the whole chorus from here? Like, take me to your loving arms, kiss me under the, and kind of just sing the whole chorus, okay? Give that a shot.
Take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your head on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud.
All right. Hallelujah. That's what I'm talking about. Good job. Very good job.
Good.
Oh, you're dead on pitch. Dead on. Spot on. Okay. That's the A4. Okay. So an exercise, and I'm going to like go to the exercise so that you have something to work on to build the voice, right? So an exercise you can do, the first one that we did, which is, let's say with the go, good. That's one exercise you can do. Another variation of that exercise you can do is good. So you basically repeat the top note 5 times and you come down.
Good.
Excellent.
Keep going.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Let me demonstrate for you. Here we go. All good. So, good. Take another breath.
Got it. Good.
Okay, so that song you heard, hopefully, do you know what? You know that song, right?
I didn't quite hear.
Okay. So it's Ariana Grande, "God Is a Woman," right?
Oh yeah.
That song. Okay, so that's a B flat. Okay, so let's try a B flat. Okay, just to see, because I feel like you can probably go a lot higher than an A flat. I'm kind of like you're just kind of like playing safe. So let's try a B flat. Okay, let's see where that is. Because if you can hit a B flat, you can sing that. You can sing "Charlie Puts Attention." Okay, you can sing "In My Blood" by Shawn Mendes, because there's a B flat. I need somebody now. Okay. Yeah. Let's test it out. Here we go. All right.
It's really tough. I don't know if I got this.
Yeah, give it a shot. You got this. Come on.
Would you mind doing the scale on the piano?
Oh yes, and I'm gonna demonstrate it with my own voice, because it's very important that the teacher demonstrate as well, because you need to hear what happens with the vowel. Come on, bro, really? All right, here we go. So if I just go boo 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 or boo boo boo, and then I explain it down here, it doesn't really help, especially as a male singer such as yourself, right? You need to hear exactly, especially you, someone who's very gifted. Okay, if I may say, you're very gifted. Okay.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome, my friend. You're very gifted, and therefore, for you guys, it's very important for the coach or the voice teacher to demonstrate and show exactly how it's done. So again, same thing. It's just a B flat 4 at the top, or A sharp 4. So. Good. Just that. Give it a shot. Here we go. Hallelujah. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. You can try a mum as well. Okay, let's give a mum a shot. Okay, let's see what happens. Now, a quick disclaimer about the mum is that you might feel a bit more pressure. You might have to give a bit more to get everything together. So let me go ahead and demonstrate for you first. So let me get the note. So it's just that.
Cool. And this is what I like. This is what, because you do it as well. You know, that's why I like it.
Yeah.
You did in the video before, but
yeah, a coach needs to look. And you know, I don't know if I talked about this. There's a lot of BS out there or bullshit out there. Okay, pardon my
course,
friend.
man.
Is that, you know, a lot of these coaches can't even sing and they're teaching. It's like you're trying to learn how to swim, or it's like, or you're trying to learn.
Yeah, someone's outside the pool.
Yeah, that makes no sense because singing is something that you do, not, you know, backed up by this. So you actually have to do it. You have to demonstrate, and then you have to break it down. What exactly it is you're doing. You have to break it down enough to the point the student or the client gets it, which is what I'm doing right now. Now you understand the concept. I'll show you this. Now you're like, oh, okay. So, hey, that's shouting. Hey, that's mixed voice. Okay, we're still kind of working on that. Again, this is our very first lesson, but you figured that out really quickly. So this is really, really good.